Friends, fellow Earthlings, if you thought 2020 was a wild ride, buckle up because 2025 is shaping up to be even more tumultuous. We're talking about a year of historic transformations, global conflict, and a cosmic awakening that will shake the very foundations of our world. Now, I'm a science guy, and I always approach predictions, even astrological ones, with a healthy dose of skepticism. But when we look at the celestial lineup for 2025, even the most rational mind has to pause and wonder. We've got a feisty Mars dominating the cosmic playing field, a series of potent eclipses, and a rare Pluto-Volcanus opposition that's like a cosmic pressure cooker about to blow, throwing the movements of Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and, well, let's just say the cosmos is setting the stage for a year unlike any we've seen in recent history. So, over the course of this multi-part series, we're going to break down the major astrological players of 2025, explore their potential impact on our world, and most importantly, discuss what we can do to navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let's kick things off with Mars, the celestial embodiment of action, desire, and yes, aggression. In 2025, Mars is spending an extended period in fiery Aries, its home sign, amplifying its already potent energy. Now, Mars in Aries is not for the faint of heart. This is a transit that fuels our primal instincts, our drive to assert ourselves, and, unfortunately, our capacity for conflict. Think of it like this. If 2024 was a simmering pot of water, Mars in Aries cranks up the heat until it reaches a rolling boil. What does this mean on a global scale? Well, we might see existing conflicts escalate, new points of tension erupt, and a general rise in aggression and impulsive behavior. This could manifest as anything from heightened military actions and political clashes to an increase in violent crime and social unrest. And as if that wasn't enough, Mars's fiery influence also extends to the natural world. We're talking extreme weather events like wildfires, droughts, and volcanic eruptions, a literal manifestation of the planet's fiery nature. So, how do we navigate this Martian storm? Well, the first step is awareness. Understanding the astrological influences at play allows us to approach challenging situations with a greater sense of perspective and preparedness. Remember, Mars's energy isn't inherently good or bad. It's all about how we choose to channel it. Instead of succumbing to aggression and reactivity, we can use this transit as an opportunity to tap into our courage, assertiveness, and drive to create positive change. Think of it like this. Mars might be the planet of war, but it's also the planet of action and initiative. This is a time for bold moves, for standing up for what we believe in, and for taking decisive action to shape our own destiny. Of course, this requires a delicate balance. We need to be assertive without being reckless, courageous without being foolhardy. It's a cosmic tightrope walk, but with awareness and conscious effort, we can harness the fiery energy of Mars to our advantage. Now, if you thought Mars in Aries was intense, hold on to your hats because we're about to delve into the realm of eclipses, those celestial events that have fascinated and frightened humanity for millennia. In 2025, we have two particularly potent eclipses that are likely to stir the global pot. A lunar eclipse in Virgo on March 14th, followed by a solar eclipse in Aries on March 29th. Eclipses are like cosmic wildcards, accelerating change and often bringing hidden truths to light. This particular eclipse duo is especially potent because it involves the Aries-Virgo axis, which speaks to themes of action, service, health, and conflict. The lunar eclipse in Virgo might expose vulnerabilities in systems and structures, forcing us to confront issues related to health, work, and daily life. And just 2 weeks later, the solar eclipse in fiery Aries throws gasoline on the fire. Remember what we said about Mars in Aries? Well, this eclipse amplifies that energy tenfold, potentially triggering conflicts, power struggles, and sudden, unexpected events. So, where might these eclipses manifest most strongly on the world stage? Astrocartography, which studies the geographic influence of celestial events, suggests that countries like Russia, China, the United States, Iran, and the NATO alliance are particularly sensitive to this eclipse cycle. We're talking about potential military actions, political shakeups, economic instability, and a general sense of uncertainty and volatility on the global stage. It's a time when long-simmering tensions could boil over, leading to rapid and unpredictable shifts in the geopolitical landscape. Now, I know this might sound a bit doomsday-ish, But remember, eclipses are not inherently negative. They're catalysts for change, often forcing us to confront uncomfortable truths and make necessary adjustments. The key is to stay informed, stay adaptable, and avoid getting caught in the crosshairs of conflict. This is a time for clear thinking, strategic planning, and a healthy dose of caution, especially when it comes to international relations and global affairs. Friends, in the celestial tapestry of our solar system, Pluto holds a special significance. It's a harbinger of transformation, of death and rebirth. In 2025, Pluto will be in a cosmic dance with Vulcanus, a hypothetical planet. Vulcanus is mysterious, its existence unconfirmed, but its gravitational influence is undeniable. This unseen force represents raw, untamed power. Their energies intertwine, creating transformation and upheaval. It's like a cosmic pressure cooker, leading to rapid shifts. The Pluto-Vulcanus opposition has coincided with immense global change. Revolutions have ignited, empires have crumbled. In 2025, this alignment could herald profound global transformation. The potential effects of this cosmic alignment are far-reaching, touching upon every aspect of our interconnected world. Geopolitical alliances could fracture and realign, leading to new power dynamics. Economic paradigms could face unprecedented challenges, potentially leading to crises. Power struggles could erupt into the open. Leaders will be tested, their authority challenged. It's a period of uncertainty, where the only certainty is change. Amidst the turmoil lies an opportunity. The Pluto-Vulcanus opposition is a catalyst for transformation. It's a chance to break down old structures. The question is, how will we respond? Will we cling to the familiar or embrace change? For a more just, equitable, and sustainable future, the answer lies not in the stars, but in ourselves. Neptune, the enigmatic planet of dreams, will enter the fiery sign of Aries in 2025. Aries is no stranger to action and bold assertions of individuality. Neptune in Aries is like pouring gasoline on an already raging fire. Nationalism will be amplified, blurring lines between patriotism and blind allegiance. This can lead to a surge in national pride and a dangerous us versus them mentality. We must be wary of nationalism's allure and prioritize dialogue over conflict. As if Neptune in Aries wasn't enough, 2025 also sees Saturn, the celestial taskmaster, entering the fiery sign of Aries. Saturn is all about structure, discipline, and limitations. It's the planet of responsibility, of hard lessons learned, and of the consequences of our actions. When Saturn joins Neptune in Aries, the potential for control and restriction becomes palpable. Governments, already emboldened by the wave of nationalism, might be tempted to exert even tighter control over their citizens. We could see a rise in authoritarian tendencies, a crackdown on dissent, and a shrinking space for free speech and individual liberties. This astrological combination could manifest as new laws aimed at curtailing civil liberties, increased surveillance, and a more militarized approach to law enforcement. The very fabric of democracy, of individual rights and freedoms, could be tested as governments grapple with the perceived need for order and security in an increasingly uncertain world. It's a stark reminder that freedom is a fragile thing, something to be cherished and fiercely protected. We must be vigilant in defending our rights, in holding our leaders accountable, and in ensuring that the pursuit of security doesn't come at the cost of our fundamental freedoms. In the vast expanse of our solar system, Uranus stands out as the planet of revolution, of innovation, and of sudden, unexpected change. It's the cosmic wildcard, the disruptor, the force that shatters the status quo. In 2025, Uranus sets its sights on Gemini, the sign of communication, technology, and the dissemination of information. Get ready, folks, because when Uranus enters Gemini, the world is in for a wild ride. We're talking about a technological revolution unlike anything we've ever witnessed before. Remember how the printing press upended the world, how the internet fundamentally reshaped human interaction? Well, buckle up, because Uranus in Gemini has the potential to be even more transformative. Imagine artificial intelligence advancing at an unprecedented rate, permeating every facet of our lives. Picture drone warfare becoming the new normal, with conflicts fought not on battlefields but in the digital ether. Envision a world where information travels at the speed of thought, where the lines between reality and virtual reality become increasingly blurred. This is the potential of Uranus in Gemini. It's a time of both immense promise and potential peril, where the very tools we create have the power to either liberate or enslave us. The choices we make today, the ethical frameworks we establish for these emerging technologies, will determine the course of human history for generations to come. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, isn't this all a bit dramatic? And to that, I say, let's consult the cosmic archives, shall we? Uranus and Gemini has always marked radical change. In the 1940s, it coincided with World War II and technological leaps. Radar and the atomic bomb reshaped warfare. Progress without morality can be devastating, but it wasn't just war. The 1860s saw the rise of the telegraph and the American Civil War. Technology redefined communication and conflict. In the 1540s, the printing press fueled the Protestant Reformation. The pattern is clear. Uranus in Gemini brings profound shifts in communication and technology. As we approach 2025, let's harness technology for good. Let's create a future where innovation serves humanity. Welcome back, cosmic travelers. We've journeyed through a cosmic minefield of eclipses, oppositions, and planetary shifts, each one pulling at the fabric of our world. Now let's turn our attention to the realm of economics, where the celestial ballet takes on a whole new significance. We often think of economics as a purely human invention, a system of numbers and markets divorced from the grand cosmic dance. But the ancients knew better, didn't they? They observed the cycles of the heavens and saw their reflections here on Earth, and in 2025 that celestial influence is especially potent. Saturn and Neptune, those celestial heavyweights, are locked in a tense embrace. Saturn, the stern taskmaster of responsibility, squares off against Neptune, the planet of dreams, illusions, and, yes, delusions. This cosmic tension, my friends, is a recipe for economic upheaval. Some astrologers believe this particular planetary alignment, with its echoes of social structures and collective ideals, could signal a resurgence of communist or socialist ideologies. Whether or not you subscribe to that belief, one thing is clear. The ground beneath our economic feet is shifting. But it's not just the planets we need to watch. As we delve deeper into the digital age, a new player emerges on the world stage, one with the potential to reshape our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine: artificial intelligence. Now, I'm a science guy, and I'm all for technological advancement. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. But like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or for ill. And in 2025, with Saturn and Neptune pulling the strings, the potential for misuse is high. Imagine a world where your every move is tracked, your every purchase analyzed, your every online interaction scrutinized. This isn't science fiction, my friends. This is the reality we're hurtling towards. The rise of AI-driven surveillance and the expansion of digital identification systems could give governments unprecedented control over our lives. 2025 could be the year the economic reset button is hit, a year of financial crashes and digital upheaval. But remember, chaos breeds opportunity. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay connected to your humanity. We'll navigate this brave new world together. The cosmos may seem like a chaotic storm brewing, I get it, but let's not forget, my friends, the universe in all its chaotic beauty always seeks balance. As Mars sets the world ablaze, Jupiter, the planet of expansion and good fortune, enters Cancer, the nurturing homebody of the zodiac, on June 9th. Jupiter in Cancer is like that warm, comforting blanket on a cold night. It whispers of hope, reminding us of the importance of family, community, and resilience. It speaks of emotional intelligence, urging us to cultivate inner strength and compassion even amidst the cosmic storms. This isn't about burying our heads in the sand. No, it's about fortifying our foundations, strengthening our inner reserves. Because when the winds of change howl, and they will, it's our roots, our connections that keep us grounded. "2025 is not a year for the faint of heart. It's a year to embrace the spirit of a cosmic warrior, to confront challenges head-on, to adapt, evolve, and ultimately to thrive. Think of it as a cosmic crucible, forging us into stronger, more resilient beings. This is your cosmic call to action, folks. What defines you? What are you passionate about? This is the year to pursue those passions, to reinvent yourself, to step into your power. Embrace the uncertainty, the change. It's the lifeblood of the cosmos. Remember, the universe doesn't offer guarantees, it offers opportunities. 2025, with all its astrological turbulence, is an opportunity, a cosmic invitation to rise above the fray, to write our own destinies in the grand cosmic narrative. It's about harnessing the potent energies swirling around us, turning challenges into stepping stones. It's about embracing the unknown with open arms and courageous hearts, because after all, isn't that what makes this cosmic dance we call life so exhilarating? We've journeyed together through the celestial tapestry of 2025, haven't we? We've explored the fiery pronouncements of Mars, the eclipse's whispers of global change, and the rumbles of Pluto and Vulcanus signaling a seismic shift in power. We've witnessed Neptune and Saturn's dance of nationalism and control, Uranus in Gemini's technological revolution, and the looming possibility of economic upheaval. But through it all, remember Jupiter's beacon of hope in Cancer, reminding us of our resilience, our capacity for growth and reinvention. The year 2025, my friends, will be etched in the annals of history. It's a year of intense transformation, of global awakenings, a year where the old structures crumble to make way for the new. Now, I'm an astrophysicist. I look at the universe through the lens of science, but the cosmos, in its infinite wisdom, speaks to us in many languages, and astrology is one of them. It's a celestial roadmap, guiding us through the ebb and flow of cosmic energies. But here's the thing, the cosmos doesn't dictate our destiny, it presents us with possibilities. The future is not set in stone, it's a tapestry we weave with our actions, our choices. So as we stand on the precipice of this pivotal year, remember this: stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, stay curious. The universe is full of wonders, and even in chaos there's beauty, there's opportunity. Embrace the change, my friends, because it's the only constant in the universe. If you found this exploration of the cosmos illuminating, give this video a cosmic thumbs up. Subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's unravel the mysteries of the universe together.